Good evening friends, my name is Sunil Kumar and today I will discuss with you very important and interesting facts from Mahabharata. It's about two characters from Mahabharata. The first one is Arjuna and second one is Ashwatthama. Arjuna is he was my favorite character from all the character in Mahabharata. Let's take the Ashwatthama first. Ashwatthama, he was the son of Dronacharya. And Ashwatthama, he owned a very rare jewel on his forehead from his childhood. And because of this rare jewel, he never felt tiredness and any kind of thirst, hunger, they would never subjugate Ashwatthama. And practically, he has no worry of any kind of weapon, any kind of enemy because of this rare jewel only, Ashwatthama. Still, he Ashwatthama knew I have this jewel, and because of this jewel, I have some special kind of characteristics, some special kind of qualities I have. Still, he don't have 100% faith, 100% trust on that jewel. He took as a granted, and because of this only, whenever imminent danger comes in the form of enemy, in the form of Pandavas, he run towards his father. Please save me, father, please save me, father, because he don't have that much of faith. If we compare in other with other character in Mahabharata, nobody has that kind of qualities, that kind of characteristics to never become tiredless and always free from hunger and thirst, but Ashwatthama has. But he don't have uh, that much faith in his abilities, and he was so, and he every time he was insecure, and he was so insecure once he approached his father to 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 take the Brahmastra. You know what is Brahmastra? Brahmastra, if we compare Brahmastra, today's weapon, these atom bomb and whatever weapon we have right now currently in all over world, they are nothing in front of Brahmastra. They are child like Brahmastra. So that Brahmastra means it is inconceivable. We cannot conceive actually. So that Brahmastra, he went to his father to take. Okay, father, I am your son. Please give me that. Actually, he was not capable. He was not eligible. He don't deserve. Still, he was requesting. He was begging to his father. Please give me. Please give me. I need this. Brahmastra. You have already given this Brahmastra to Arjuna. Okay, please give me, please give me. So out of love, Dronacharya gave him Brahmastra, but he was not eligible. That much of lack of confidence was in there in him, in Ashwatthama, and insecurity also. And once he approached Lord Krishna to swap his uh, his Brahmastra with Krishna's chakra. He told he was just doing business with Krishna. Okay, take my Brahmastra, give me your Sudarshan. Actually, he wanted to kill Pandavas. That's why he was asking chakra from Krishna. But Krishna somehow managed and he denied. So this much of insecurity he has, Ashwatthama. He never believed on capability, on ability. This kind of insecurity Ashwatthama has. That's why he took the side of uh, Kauravas, because he thought, okay, they are more in number, and his father is king Dhritarashtra, and most probably Duryodhana is going to become the king, next king after his father. So I will get chance, and I will become I will become the I will become the king of one of the small kingdom, like this. He was so much insecure, and also he was enemy of Pandavas, especially uh, from Arjuna. And okay, now take the example of Arjuna. And okay, what Arjuna has compared to that jewel, that stone which already had Aswasthama? Nothing. Arjuna has nothing, any kind of jewel, any kind of stone. Whatever he got later on, because of his confidence, because of his hard work, because of his uh, gratitude showing activities, he got that things. Means he got Brahmastra from Dronacharya, Pasupatarth from Lord Shiva, and he got blessings from Kripacharya, Bhishma Pitama. Means how Arjun got these things? Because he has confidence. Whatever I have to become master in that things. Whatever Gunakesh, one of the name of Arjuna. Why Gunakesh means conqueror of sleep. Means Arjuna never sleep unless he become perfect in one type of skill in archery. He was a conqueror of sleep, and he can sleep in any position. Arjuna means, if suppose if he's going on horse and he's feeling sleepy, then he can sleep on that only. He does not require any uh, bed of rose or anything. That this type of qualities has Arjuna, because he was a means, that's why he was a favorite of Arjuna, Krishna, no? That's why. And most important thing, he took the shelter of Lord Krishna. The most important thing, he has faith on Krishna. He took the shelter of Krishna and he obeyed the Krishna. Whatever, he followed the instruction of Krishna. Whatever Krishna told, he was ready to follow that instruction. He never told, Arjuna never told to Dronacharya, give me that Brahmastra. He was capable, he has that ability. Then Dronacharya gave him Brahmastra. Arjuna has that confidence, that concentration, and main things, he has a means he used to show gratitude. Arjuna, whatever I have, let me do that things in proper way and take the optimum advantage of that. This qualities Arjuna has. Arjuna don't have any special jewel or any special entity so that he can draw some special property, special characteristics in him like Aswasthama has. So from these facts, what moral I extract, what first, one should take the shelter of Krishna, because Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. One should take the shelter of Lord Krishna. And second one, whatever qualities one should have, we should try to go deeper and deeper in that qualities. We should try to extract, we should try to take the optimum of that qualities. We should not hanker which we don't have, like Aswasthama did. So you people are also extract lots of moral from this fact, these stories, and if you like my this narration, this story, these facts from Mahabharata, you can like, you can share, and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.